Good morning, students. It is Thursday, January 26, 2023, and due to the weather, we are not having school today. So today is our very first e-learning day. So a couple of things I want to make sure I go over with you before we get into the lesson you'll be doing today is that you need to make sure that you are checking in for attendance. And to do that, you would want to go to your Canvas calendar. Now, when I take you there here in a minute, it's not going to show you what you need to be seeing because it's not created yet because I'm making this video early just in case we don't have school on Thursday. So if you're watching this, we didn't have school on Thursday. But what you would do is you would come here to January 26th and you would see that there would be an attendance assignment. You would click on it, and then there's just one question you answer. You answer the question, and then you're checked in for attendance for the day. If you don't do that, then it's like you didn't show up for e-learning that day. So make sure that you are doing that attendance check-in. If you need help with that, you can send me a message and I can walk you through that. So that's what you should do very first. All right, let's get back to your assignment, which I could have just clicked on the calendar, but I didn't do that. All right, lots of steps to get to one place. All right, now we're back. So the very first thing I said you should do is right here, do that attendance check-in. Step 2 is only for Javier, Noemi, Pedro, Karina, and Juan. You all need to join our Edpuzzle class. So you would click here on this link and it would take you to join Edpuzzle. You want to join using Google. So make sure, don't type a username and password in, just click join using Google, and that should sign you up. If you have any questions, send me a message and I can help you with that as well. But I think you'll be able to figure it out. If you've done Edpuzzles for other teachers, sometimes it won't show you that step. So you've done your attendance check-in. Javier, Noemi, Pedro, Karina, and Juan, you've clicked the join link. Everyone else, you can skip step number 2 and come straight to number 3. Today, you're going to do an Edpuzzle on weather. I thought it'd be kind of fun to look at some weather vocabulary because we're experiencing some weather right now. And so just some different words like temperature, humidity, the word weather itself, climate, those are things that you're going to experience in this Edpuzzle. And it's a good activity for listening to spoken English. And so this is in English. You'll watch it and listen to it in English and then answer the questions. Now, one thing I want to make sure that you understand in case you've never done an Edpuzzle before is that you want to make sure you utilize the rewatch button. If you can. All right, so it has stopped the video because it's going to ask you a question. And the question is, what is weather? If you weren't sure which of these were the best choice, you'd want to click the rewatch button. Oops, sorry. And it'll go back over and play everything prior to that question. So sometimes students don't use that feature. Make sure if you're not sure what the answer is, don't just guess. Click rewatch and go back and watch what you need to be watching and listening for. So once you've done that Edpuzzle, you are finished with my class for the day. Make sure you are checking the Canvas calendar for all of your classes. You're going to have an assignment in every one of your classes today. So make sure that you're checking that Canvas calendar. Those should all show up on Thursday, the January 26th. And then if you need help with those, this lesson from me or any of your classes, just send me a Canvas inbox message or send me an email and I will get with you as soon as I can. Have a great day, work hard, and I will see you soon. Adios.